Assalamu alaikum viewers. From behalf of your live team, I am here. Today our topic is related from this current issue series, and the topic name is energy crisis. The coronavirus pandemic create many energy crises. So let's back work on it. So start our topics. Energy crisis. Energy crisis is a significant bottleneck in the supply of the energy resources to an economy. In literature, it often referred to one of the energy source used at a certain time and place, in a particular those that supply national electricity grid or those used as a fuel in the industrial development and the population growth have led to a surge in the global demand for the energy in a recent year. In the 2000, this new demand, together with the Middle East intention, the falling value of the US dollar, dowling oil resources concern, our peak oil and oil price speculation triggered the 2000 energy crisis, which saw the price of oil reach an all-time high of 147.30 a barrel dollar fee barrel in 2008. Causes the gasoline shortage of the World War II brought about the resurgence of the horse and wagon delivery. Most energy crises have been caused by the localized shortage, war, market manipulation. Some have argued that the government action like tax hikes, nationalization of energy companies, and regulation of the energy sector shift supply and demand of energy away from its economy equilibrium. However, the recent historical energy crisis listed below were not caused by such a factor. Market failure is possible when monopoly manipulation of market occurs. A crisis can develop due to industry action like union organized strike and government embargoes. The cause may be our consumption, aging infrastructure, choke point disruption, or bottleneck at oil refineries and port facilities that restricted fuel supply. And emergency may emerge during the very cold winter due to the increased consumption of energy. Large fluctuation and manipulation in future derivation can have substantial impact on a price. Large investment banks control 80% of the oil derivatives as May of 2012, compared to 30% only a decade ago. This increased contribution to an improvement of the global energy output from 117,687 terawatt hour in 2000 to the 143,851 terawatt hour in 2008. Limitation on free trade for the derivatives could reverse this trend of the growth in energy production. Kuwaiti oil minister Hani Hassan stated that under the supply and demand theory, oil prices today are not justified. In an interview with the upstream, pipeline failure and the other accident may cause minor interruption to energy supplies. A crisis could possibly emerge after the infrastructure demand from severe weather, attacked by the terrorist or a militia, or important infrastructure are a possible problem for energy consumer with a successful strike on a Middle East facilities potential causing global shortage. Political events, for example, when a government change due to the regime changes, monarchy collapse, military occupation, and a cup may disrupt oil and gas production and create a shortage. Fuel shortage can also be due to the excess of and useless use of the fuels. Historical crisis. Let's back a view from some past historical crises. 1970 energy crisis caused by the peaking of the oil production in the major industries nation Germany, United States, Canada, etc. The embargoes from other producers. 1973 oil crisis caused by the OPEC oil export embargo by many of the major Arab oil producing states in response to the Western support of Israel during the Yom Kippur War. 1979 oil crisis caused by the Iranian Revolution. 1990 oil price shock caused by the Gulf War. In the 2000-2001 California electricity crisis caused by the market manipulation of Enron and failed deregulation resulted in the multiple large-scale power outage. Fuel protests in the United Kingdom in 2000 were caused by a rise in the price of the crude oil, combined with the already relatively high taxation on road fuel in the UK.